Hello, today I will show you how to set up a portable hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy M20. Let's start by unlocking the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now swipe up once again and go into the settings menu. And here select connections. In connections select mobile hotspot and tethering. And in here you can turn on mobile hotspot. Select OK. And now to choose the options, simply press the mobile hotspot here. Now you can see what is your device name when someone wants to find it, to connect to it. It's currently Android APD CCB. You can press on this and write anything you want and select save. There's also a password shown. This password is needed to connect to your device if anyone wants it. Of course, you can set your own password, but it has to be at least 8 characters long. You will also see all connected devices, so as you can see, no devices are currently connected to this one. And if you ever want to turn off the hotspot, simply press here once again. Simple as that. So I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.